Welcome to New York. My name is Anthony Rubio, pet couturier. This is Bogey, and this is Kimba. And today, we're going to the biggest pet fashion event in the world. Come and join us. We're here at Tompkins Square Park. This place is popping today. Look at all the people that are here. There are about approximately 500 dogs here. Follow me, and we're gonna meet some people and see the dogs in costumes. What have we got here? Oh my goodness. Yikes. The Empire State Building. Oh, wait a minute, now I get it. Look what we have here. Fay Ray. And he's got sound effects and everything. Isn't that wonderful? Now, who designed this? You both did? And how did you come up with this idea? You just do movie trivia and that's how you come up with this idea?
We were messing around with the idea of getting high. And,
not that way. This high.
Yeah, high.
This is incredible.
Thank you.
What do we got here? Look at this. This is Bogey's girlfriend. This is Bella Mia. They're betrothed. He's in love with her. Look at
happy
this.
to see each other.
Is that your Bella Mia?
So Bella Mia comes with a very big dowry. So I said that I need to see some bling before we kind of...
Well, he's wearing all the bling today.
Oh, okay.
Mwah. Mwah.